The Indian rupee slipped to a record low, pressured by sustained foreign capital outflows and heightened geopolitical tensions that have amplified risk aversion. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Equity markets mirrored the currency's weakness, with Indian shares extending losses after registering their steepest single-day fall in more than 8 months in the previous session, largely driven by aggressive foreign selling. Despite the near-term market stress, underlying economic signals remain encouraging. According to the Reserve Bank of India's latest assessment, high-frequency indicators continue to point to resilient growth momentum. Metrics such as goods and services taxes, that is GST collections, and e-way bill generation, both closely watched barometers of real-time economic activity, suggest that domestic demand and business activity are holding up well. Adding to the optimism, economists expect a more growth-supportive fiscal stance in the coming months. As India approaches the union budget, analysts anticipate that the federal government will gradually recalibrate its fiscal framework, shifting focus towards managing the debt-to-GDP ratio beginning April 2026. This transition is seen as providing greater flexibility for public spending while maintaining medium-term fiscal discipline. While external headwinds from global uncertainty and capital flows continue to weigh on markets, policymakers and economists alike believe India's strong domestic fundamentals and evolving fiscal strategy could help cushion the economy and support a recovery in investor confidence over time. Let's look into today's headlines. Ericsson unveils 5G advanced location services. Ericsson has announced the launch of its 5G Advanced Location Services offering, a comprehensive suite of innovations designed to redefine location-based services across commercial 5G standalone networks. Set for release in Q1 2026, this offering places Ericsson as a leader in 5G positioning technology, offering a scalable and fully integrated solution on top of Ericsson's dual-mode 5G core. This also strengthens Ericsson's location solutions based on real-time kinematics technology, with related devices from Ericsson to be released at a later date. Microsoft rolls out Xbox app for ARM-based Windows 11 PCs. Microsoft is rolling out the Xbox app for ARM-based Windows 11 PCs, allowing users to download and play Xbox PC games locally on these devices. The update brings access to a large part of the Xbox Game Pass PC catalog on ARM-powered Copilot Plus PCs, alongside continued support for cloud gaming where local capability is limited. Microsoft has also announced a new Game Save Sync indicator, cloud gaming support for select smart TVs. Uttar Pradesh government to scale up AI ecosystem with network of 65 labs. Pitching the state as a future leader in the artificial intelligence ecosystem, the Uttar Pradesh government is setting up a network of 65 data and AI labs across the state. While 2 of these labs are operational in Lucknow and Gorakhpur districts, another unit has been established in Pilibhit with private partnership. The government has already approved 49 data and AI labs, even as the process to identify locations for the remaining 13 labs is likely to begin soon. MeitY may cut compliance timeline for key DPDP rules to 12 months from earlier 18 months. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, that is MeitY, is said to be shortening the implementation timeline for certain provisions under the administrative rules of the Digital Personal Data Protection, that is DPDP Act, for significant data fiduciaries to 12 months from the earlier 18 months. The changes were proposed by the ministry during a stakeholder meeting on Thursday, the sources said. Big tech companies and social media intermediaries such as Meta, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, along with most major banking, financial services, and insurance institutions, will fall under this category. Elon Musk makes his Davos debut with his promise of humanoid robots. At his first ever Davos appearance, US tech mogul Elon Musk forecasted the launch of his humanoid robots next year. In a remarkably subdued conversation with WEF interim chair Larry Fink, Elon Musk stuck to his script of optimistic enthusiasm for AI, robotics, and space travel. He also showed up with a light-hearted tweet before taking the stage. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.